early morning around 6, 7 o'clock. He comes. Okay, cool. Let me share my screen so that we can begin pay-per-click meeting. Okay. So basically, whenever we start working on any PPC client, we often go through kickoff notes, right? So there is actually a strategy mentioned already in kickoff notes.
Okay.
Actually, that strategy is being prepared and approved by Joel.
Okay.
Basically, that strategy is actually for SEO. Often, after the kickoff call, there is a post call happens here in coalition where all the team members participate in that post kickoff call, and
Okay.
everyone, especially Joel, goes through all the strategy and the key points, key tasks. I mean, key stuff that needs to be mentioned in the strategy.
Okay.
So I'm gonna open one of strategy example. Uh, okay, definitely GoTie. Yeah, let's
Good
open
time.
kickoff notes of GoTie. So as soon as you read these, you comes with this. You come with this strategy headline. Now this is all about SEO. That is, Joel mentioned what keyword should be primarily targeted for the home page of GoTie, for example. See pro tie ties and pro tie neckties. This is actually title tag, meta title tag for home page,
Okay.
and other titles for categories pages. But what is really very important is this one, primary keywords. So my point is, whenever we start working for PPC for the same client, we should consider these keywords. This should be treated as a primary keywords even in PPC also,
Okay.
even though they are for SEO purpose. But these are the keywords selected after really a deep level analysis and discussions between all the team members, including Joy. So definitely, they are the keywords which has been selected after a lot of thinking and discussions. So to just save a lot of our time, see, whenever we start working on non-branded campaign, non-branded keyword research, it takes a lot of thought process, right, to decide which keyword should be selected and which shouldn't be. So to save really our time, whenever you start working on a PPC client like GoTie, and whenever you are supposed to launch a top seller or any other non-branded campaign, straight away you can actually remember these keywords. You can take these keywords and you can start building your other non-branded keywords around them to set up a non-branded campaign.
Okay.
So if suppose if I will have to start working on GoTie, suppose I have just got like 30 minutes and I need to set up a non-branded campaign for GoTie, what I would do, I would straight away go to these primary keywords. I would
Okay.
straight away copy them and put them into keyword planner, or maybe I will not even go to keyword planner and just target these keywords into their one ad group with exact or phrase match straight away. If
Okay.
I have just got like only 30 minutes in my life and I have to leave the earth and I have to go somewhere out of earth,
Okay.
then I'll try to do that way. So that's the main point of this first point in today's PPC team meeting. Often it's very hard to set up non-branded campaign in quick time, and we might just end up off the track if we are in rush and trying to set up non-branded campaign in a quick time. So I think this will gonna definitely help us if we could focus, if we could concentrate on keywords. In fact, you can also look into the titles. pre-tied ties and pre-tied necklace. This can be straight away used as add content or description line one,
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
entire initial sentence of expanded text as description.
Mm.
So
Actually, Joel connected a call with
mhm.
Kerry and he included me also before a couple of days. So he also sent a mail regarding go type strategy. I think you should.
Hello.
I think he forgot to add you also. Uh,
I
yeah,
mean,
I think he forgot to add. He sent
so
me the strategy of go tie.
okay.
Yes. So it is setup. First is setup tracking. So conversion equal to a cell. Then run search it's on pre-tied tie, pre-tied necktie, zipper tie alternative, and clips on tie. He
It's a mention
also
here. Oh man.
just let me forward the mail.
No, no, in this kickoff notes, it's mentioned. See, I was talking about these strategy points, but we were on
Uh,
SEO points. But if you will scroll little down, you will find out
oh
this
yeah, just the exact thing. Yes, yeah.
set tracking. So conversion equal a sale. Oh,
Hmm.
I think why he didn't invite me into the meeting, because I had already mentioned him that service would gonna be the PPC technician last
Okay.
week. So I think he might not felt that inviting me
Hmm.
in this
Hmm.
call. But it's good. I mean, that's what I wanted to talk about.
Hmm.
Uh, we should, focus on the keywords that we think as a primary keywords. For example,
Hmm.
what mentioned here in SEO. I mean,
Okay.
a lot of time your SEO purpose primary keywords would also be your non-branded search term keywords. A lot of
Hmm.
time.
Hmm.
So pre-tied tie, pre-tied necktie, zipper tie alternative, clip-on ties. Okay, awesome. These are almost 90% relevant to what the primary SEO keywords we are seeing right here.
Yes.
Video ads only, and only a small experiment budget. Kept at 500 per month. If you want more, you need my approval. I don't think these will do well. Shut off if they fail. How to tie a tie. Would you recommend video advertising?
No, no, I didn't recommend. Actually, Joel recommend himself.
All right. Even 500 per month won't
Actually,
be.
there is a mention. This sentence is mentioned in the website how to tie a tie.
Sorry?
So I think there is a video on the client website or that how to tie a tie or
Yeah.
something place is mentioned. So I think there should be a video. So that's why Joel referred to run this campaign video.
Right. Uh,
But he said that I'm not sure about its success rate. So that's why he mentioned that this
well,
budget and
certainly, you cannot expect direct conversion from video campaign, but
hmm,
actually client wants to bid on how to tie a tie search term. He has mentioned in the kickoff notes.
hmm,
I actually saw that in client dossier of GoTie, that client wants to bid on how to tie a tie
hmm,
search term, because a lot of people search with how to tie keyword over Google,
hmm,
and certainly they are interested to know, how to tie a tie.
yeah,
But client wants to attract those people to come to his website, and client wants to sell his tie to them. So
okay,
that's the goal. And I think I reviewed your go to tie PPC. initial PPC strategy yesterday.
It is a high competitive keyword.
Yeah, it's really high. But since client is interested to spend some bucks over that term because he wants to bring the users on his website,
Mm.
no matter initially they won't convert, but how to tie campaign can be a kind of brand awareness campaign for him. So
Mm.
I would rather recommend, okay, since you guys discussed this in a strategy meeting, only spend $150 over video.
Uh, I think we should launch this campaign in the last phase.
Yeah, of course. But in this, this PPC initial strategy meeting, the number seven campaign which I recommended is a special non-branded campaign to target how to tie keywords. I mean, a straight away non-branded special campaign where we are just targeting how to tie keywords in exact and phrase match and also broad match
Mhm.
modifier. I think this is fine.
So you mentioned in this sheet that branded campaign in the very last. So should I do according to this sheet?
No, no, no. This is not a priority order.
Mhm.
Just a mentioning of campaigns.
Okay.
For example, obviously shopping campaign will gonna take time.
Yeah.
So before shopping campaign, we'll be launching low spend branded campaign, then remarketing, and of course, we will have to launch non-branded campaigns. Otherwise,
Mhm.
there will be a lot of time.
Mhm.
We won't spend enough money
Yeah.
before our actual campaigns comes into play. That is shopping campaign.
Okay.
So this is definitely not a priority order. Don't
Mhm.
follow this as a priority order. Uh, okay, cool. I think then I will have to mention one more campaign type here. That is video campaign, right?
Yeah. You can edit number seven, which you have already mentioned, a special non-branded campaign to target how to tie a tie keyword.
Yeah, why not? Adding just an extra line here. Low spend video campaign for campaign to show how to tie or tie video over YouTube. But remember, there should be only $100
Mm.
being spent on this video. We shouldn't spend more money because I don't expect it to convert. A special non-branded campaign should be the priority before video campaign.
Okay.
Okay.
A special non-branded campaign will be only search network campaign, right?
Yeah, search network.
Okay.
In straight away write down in this document also special non-branded campaign. Okay. Conversion optimization suggestion on client's website. Actually, go tie majorly they are actually advertising how to tie on their homepage.
Yes,
There
yes.
is something about they also sell some ties. So as soon as I spotted that, I actually let the team know, and I think that's the point in conversion optimization strategy. Also, we will going
Mm.
to add, we will going to make some changes on the homepage, and we can probably show some of our ties product here in the form of slider.
Yeah, right.
Anyway, so you know this is exactly what I actually wants to do. That is, straight away looking into SEO keywords, SEO meta tags from the kickoff notes and trying to focus on them. I'm sure this will gonna save a lot of our time. We will be on a correct path, and
Mm.
additionally, uh, we'll be able to launch campaigns in quicker time. That too more
Okay.
targeted one.
Okay.
Another interesting another interesting point is actually on a client dossier sheet. Let me show you. Have you ever tried looking into keyword ranking tab of client dossier?
Yes, I checked.
I'm sure
mm,
not.
I checked
Okay.
before few months, but I didn't see it again.
Okay. So this is
It
very
is
much related to
SEO related terms. There are some.
in this rank tracking.
Mm,
In this tab, PPC, not PPC, SEO technician actually outline the keywords they are focusing on versus their rank, their position.
mm,
And mostly they are all non-branded terms. In fact, non-branded terms only. So this is another quick way to find targeted non-branded keywords, which we can use into PPC.
mm.
Right? This one is for statement. For example,
Okay.
uh, under rank tracking tab, which is fourth tab in client dossier document, you can easily look into the terms. There would be many terms. See here. So these are definitely another high quality keywords, non-branded keywords, which we should definitely consider while we do research for non-branded terms and try to bid on campaigns. So client dossier is another excellent. And rank tracking tab in client dossiers and contain good quality and highly targeted non-brand keywords of a client. So always consider them when you set up non-branded campaign for that client. PPC. Okay. Apart from that, I wanted to talk about any alternate suggestion for CT spin tracking sheet. Well, it takes a lot of time. It takes
Mm,
actually like 30 to 40 minutes of my time to
mhm.
update the CT spin tracking sheet, which I feel I shouldn't spin.
Actually, I have a suggestion. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
what I do, I have created sheet. Oh, let me share my screen so that I can show you.
Sure, sure, sure.
Just a minute.
Are you sharing my
Yeah,
your screen?
yeah. I have shared already.
Yes, I can see it.
So I have created this kind of sheet where I have uh, mentioned monthly budget of each account
Mm-hmm.
here in each column, and then according to this budget, I have already mentioned here the uh, per daily spend means per day spend, 1 day spend of each account.
Mm-hmm.
Here, here in this column, uh, I have through a formula. I have I daily multiply with day. Suppose today is 13, so I will just go here and add 13. And it is spent so far. So this column I daily update, and these two automatically be updated through formula.
Okay.
So through which I easily check that which accounts are going over budget and which are uh, running under budget or too much underspent. So this is very
It's
easy for
good.
me.
I mean, this is good sheet. I would say this is the most simplest form of spend
Yeah.
tracking. Very
So
very
I think I was saying that and it does not take a lot of time, just 10 to 15 minutes, hardly 10 to 15 minutes. Uh, and then I checked through this that which account is going over spend and not.
so.
So
Do
I
you?
think we all three should do this from ourselves.
Mm,
Uh,
well, do you update Bing stats, Facebook stats, and any other platform stats?
No, no. Actually, I didn't add Bing and
Mm.
so
And do you
Facebook
do you
and
enter manual spend so far in column H for all the accounts?
yeah. In column H, I manually update this.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, if we will try to update Bing and Facebook also, this will even take more time than what my sheet actually takes. In
Okay.
my sheet, what is the advantage is actually, even though it just takes like 30 minutes, but
Mm-hmm.
it fetch all the states from Facebook, Bing,
Yeah.
uh, and AdWords, and it combines all those states and put them,
Mm-hmm.
uh, in the budget versus spend sheet, like how much we have spent, how much we should have been spent, how much we are going overspend. So as far as formulas are concerned, I mean, I think I built it perfectly, but the only thing is, since it fetch the data from other sheets, we will have to download the those sheet from inbox, which actually I do. For example,
Mm-hmm.
you see my screen, under this label, these are the reports comes every day into my inbox. I
Yeah.
then need to download them and put them into the appropriate folder. There are
Mm-hmm.
three appropriate folder I created, and this
Mm-hmm.
spreadsheet exactly fetch all those data from their location through formula. For example,
Okay.
this one. So this is definitely, I mean, you are also building the same similar kind of sheet. I mean, it's just trying to reinvent the wheel.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we shouldn't do that. I mean, it will gonna take some time. I'm not saying
Mm-hmm.
that don't use that. I mean, that's your own custom sheet, which is great.
Mm-hmm.
You should always track spend. That's the
Mm-hmm.
intention of why I share this sheet with you guys, because
Mm-hmm.
we get most updated data across all of our accounts.
Yes. Yes.
Now, as a alternate suggestions, if we would gonna replace this, we would exactly want the same sheet, but maybe through any other form, maybe like Google Sheet or something which can save like my
Mm-hmm.
time. Or even I was,
Uh,
yeah,
okay. Go ahead, please.
even I was just wondering, outsourcing this task to you. That is, you every day open
Mm-hmm.
your inbox, download all the reports from your inbox, save them into their appropriate folder, and then open this and with us.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm,
I was saying that most of time in 99% cases only AdWords account goes over spend. Not Facebook account or neither Facebook account nor Bing account. So if we remove AdWords spend from this sheet, then will it be easy for you to manage this?
mm, no, I think even that would not gonna save a lot of time.
Hmm.
Uh, Actually, not only this sheet tells us about the spend, but it also tells you how much revenue and conversions you are generating if you go to this column. I actually check them
So,
every day. I'm
hmm.
not sure if you guys see them or not at all, but I actually
No, I
you
check. I check.
Yeah, I have created them for a purpose. For
Mm,
example, since I am a team lead, I can't actually go and look into all the accounts individually, even though there is a MCC dashboard, but I
mm,
can't actually look into all of their accounts like Bing account, Facebook account, AdRoll account.
mm.
So the purpose of these columns was actually to combine all the stats, all the revenue or conversion, and looking into them straight away, just like a dashboard. So
Okay.
apart from spend, it also helps us to keep a track of spend and conversion and cost per acquisition. And
Mm.
you are right. I mean, most of the accounts actually often go overspend from AdWords, but
Mm.
Bing and Facebook both are also important. I
Yeah.
mean, at least we can look into their performance, how they are doing so far. What was the
Mm.
yesterday? For example, Grasscloth or any other, if they didn't run any ad yesterday, then we can quickly know that something might have been going wrong
Correct.
for Grasscloth More's Bing account. We should check.
Mm.
I think for now, I mean, either I can export. I mean, either I can outsource this sheet to you, but I will have to
Mm.
explain you how to update it every day. That won't take much
Mm.
time. Maybe any particular day we will set a meeting
Okay.
to go. It's very simple.
Mm.
For example, okay, today I didn't update it yet. So what will I gonna do? I'll not open this sheet. What would I do? I would just come to my inbox under account report,
Okay.
and first I'll download the file report of AdWords. These are the so far this month, so far this week, last month, yesterday. I just click them straight away.
Mm.
Now they are coming through an automated rule from
Yeah.
MCC report section.
Mm.
So I download them, download it. So basically, once they will download, which is, yeah, they are downloaded 1, 2, 3, 5 reports from AdWords. So I copy them. Oh, I should have deleted my previously downloaded items because that will otherwise. So imagine I download and I copy them and I paste them into their location, which is raw reports. You can see these are yesterday's reports. Now what will I'll open all of them, and in the same way I'll open all of the Bing and Facebook reports which I would download after this, and then at the end, after opening all the Excel sheet, I then finally open this sheet and it asks me to update it, and I update it. So it
Okay.
automatically update all the steps. I just need to go here value calculation, and I just to update
Mm.
what was the latest day. For example, I am updating on Wednesday, not Wednesday, Tuesday 13, right?
Mm.
So the day of the month would be immediate yesterday, which
Yeah.
is 12,
Yeah.
which is 12. Now there are certain accounts which are not running on Saturday and Sunday.
Mm.
So for them, the value calculation day would be slightly different. That means we will have to subtract Saturday and Sunday days. So for LB, it would be 8.
Okay.
That's it. You don't need to do anything. It's
Mm.
automatically updated with all the stats.
Okay. So
So I
all
think this is important for us.
okay. So all the
Yeah, I
data
mean,
will be updated automatically.
yeah, this report extract everything automatically. The only requirement is you will have to open the reports, base reports, or say like raw reports which you downloaded. You have to
Mm.
open them and then you need to open this sheet. Then only it will gonna update all the states.
Okay.
Even if you downloaded them, saved them into appropriate folder, but you if you don't open them and try to update it, it will not gonna fetch them.
Okay.
The requirement of Excel sheet when you update the states.
Okay.
So I think, yeah, I mean, we will conduct a separate call and I'll
Okay.
explain everything straight away, step by step, because I think you will also have to create the same folder which I have created on my system.
Yeah, because according to formula, it
Yeah, the
will.
location part should be same. This part should
Correct.
be the same. This is being read by Excel. Anyway, I think outsourcing this to you would really be a good idea.
Okay.
Uh, Even it will not take much time of you, but I think maybe I just don't need to spend even 30 minutes over it.
Okay.
Uh, we have decided can use Spain tracking sheet. So that way you would not need to uh, prepare your own spreadsheet. I just want
Yeah.
you guys also
Correct.
to utilize everything because I every
Hmm.
day see all the states and I check the revenue conversion, and if I see something odd, then I straight away either I let you guys know or I straight away go into accounts and see what's going on.
Yeah, because
I mean,
means I will prepare the report and send to the team, and you will check and let us know. That's the way.
yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Once you update it, you just need to save it on your hard drive and then you just need to send it to us through email.
Okay.
It will hardly take, I think, once you are expert on this, it will hardly take 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes of your time.
Okay.
All right, so that's it for today
Okay.
in this meeting.
I have some points to discuss. First is contractor license group account is not active yet.
Not active?
So yeah, due to payment method issue.
Okay, we have informed to Keith, right?
Yeah, we have. I think we have informed to Keith, and I think Keith replied also.
Yeah,
Mm,
he's checking, notifying client now. Okay, he has
or
sent an email.
he allowed to you to use the credit card balances.
That
I
was
think
for
you
our
have.
start of
Oh yeah, okay, all fit. Okay, so it is still paused.
I think yes, it is still paused. Okay, I'll ask Keith, sent an email.
Okay. And another thing is yeah, uh, I consistently face this issue when I tried to log in into GMC account. Then it asks to
Mhm.
verification on the assigned number. Sometimes the number is belongs to US.
Yeah. Often, Google shows four options to verify. That's the verification would for sure be happening. It happens at my end also. If I'm logging a particular account first time or after a long gap, it will
Mhm.
ask me to verify. So often I see four options like confirm by receiving the code on your phone number or the number mentioned over there.
Now,
Confirm.
can you show me?
Now, how would I show unless if Google asks me? those options. But I guess,
Okay. Actually, I just tried to log in into Grass Cloth and More GMC account.
okay,
So,
what are you
yeah. Sorry.
what are you seeing over there?
I just see three options. First is verification through
Hmm.
code, or second is verification through call, and third is
Hmm.
I think help with ask help to Google.
Okay, so you are not seeing like four options.
Yeah. What
Okay.
is the fourth option?
Third and fourth options would be uh, confirm by entering phone number or confirm by entering email address. That's it. Google
Okay.
doesn't ask uh, entering the email. Then Google will send the code and you need to enter. I often see
So,
fourth options
mm,
like confirm by just entering phone number or email address. I don't know why you are not seeing. Maybe it could be due to due to various reasons,
mm,
and maybe it's also possible that there are some accounts which might not have enabled that option on their security setting, because
okay.
I may also not see all the four options all the time for all the accounts.
Mm,
So I think maybe it's possibly because you are the opening those kind of accounts which doesn't have those three four options. That's why
mm,
you only see either enter phone number, enter the code, or receive a code through call. But
okay.
oftentimes what happens, for example, grass cloth and more. If
Mm,
suppose you are not able to log in, and then if
mm,
you ping me, if I try to log in into it,
mm,
it's possible that I can approve your suspicious activity at my end. Then you refresh it, and then you are able to log in. Let's try grass cloth and more.
okay.
Merchant Center, Martin Velen, Yahoo Mail, right?
Yeah.
So I'm entering this. Hey, you would also see the recovery number right here.
Yes.
I think Google will allow me. See, confirm the phone number that you provided in your security setting. This is just to enter the number and confirming it.
Oh, it is very easy to. I didn't get.
You might be seeing enter it and Google will send you code. You might have been seeing that, right?
Yes, yes.
See, I entered it. It
Mm,
took me to
it
the main
will,
page.
yeah, enter the login. I mean, the homepage.
Okay, let me check Google account. See, this is answering. Warning, Google prevented a suspicious attempt. Was it you? If I would click it, now refresh it and try yourself. This one is obviously your locations, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that was me. I can upload this. Okay. Yes, that was me. Okay.
Mm,
It will go. Don't worry. It will go. That's it. Try now. Refresh it
okay.
and try to log in. Always log in into Ignito window.
In which window? Incognito.
Yeah.
No, I. Okay. So, yeah, I just wanted to ask you that is it any benefit or something to use incognito mode?
No benefit. It will just hide your IP.
Hmm.
Uh, Oftentimes we we usually log in through many Google accounts. So if we
Okay.
will just continuously use our IP address, then it's possible that Google might block us somewhere on some
Hmm.
accounts.
Hmm.
So incognito window will always keep your IP hidden whenever you log into client Google account. So that way
Okay.
we are safe.
Okay.
Awesome. Anything else? Are we good?
Yeah, we are good. I had only 2 points. First is contactor. Second is
Okay.
this kind of issue. So,
Awesome. Yep. I mean, we can't do anything unless if we go to Google's office and talk to lady
and
in
yeah,
HR cell.
actually yesterday I talked to I think which was the account which I was creating GMC Gmail account for set up GMC, and I think Neil is the DP. So I just asked to Neil to give his my mobile number. So he told me that I don't give my personal number. So I told him that Ashok and my numbers are I actually Google didn't allow our numbers because we have provided our numbers in most of accounts. So give your number. So he gave me ring central number, didn't work. Then he sent me his personal Google Hangout or Google Plus number. It didn't work. So finally he gave me his personal
Oh
number.
man,
Yeah. So this
very
kind
funny.
of.
I mean, Americans are very, very conscious about sharing their personal details. So whenever you spot on any problem like that, if we don't have any number to accept, I mean to enter, then the last option would be we can recommend client to set up the account and share the credentials.
Okay. I think we should include this in the kickoff meeting or something, so we can overcome this kind of issue. Uh,
Well, it's a small issue. I mean,
mhm,
it's a small issue. The reason is because uh, security is important these days, online security.
mhm,
So you would just end up having not enough number at the end.
mhm,
We have to just figure out how best we can go. If at all like we are not able to set up the account, Google account from our end, like DP is not giving their number, we don't have any other options, then the last option we can do is we can recommend client to set up their account
mhm.
and then share details with us. They should
Okay.
enter their phone number, they should
Mhm,
share those number with us, so that if there is a possibility to enter the phone number or get to code, then we can do that.
mhm. Okay.
This problem will definitely occur. I mean, this will create some issues for us because these days we are creating Google Merchant Center account from our end, right?
Yes.
So another good options is we can tell DP to create a Google account from their end and then share details with us, including their phone number if
Yeah,
there is
that
any
is
security.
correct.
Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, Service, thank you very much for joining and have a good day.
Okay. Thank you, Sabri.
Bye bye.
Bye.